थर जो हाल जे पुछंदे, मुंहिंजे थर जो हाल जे पुछंदे, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो। बरंदड़ बर जो हाल जे पुछंदे, बरंदड़ बर जो हाल जे पुछंदे, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो, रोई पवंदो।
We are at village Tugusar, district Tharparkar. District Tharparkar is the largest desert area of the Pakistan. It covers almost more than 22,000 kilometer square feet of the area. Here, along with other major problems and issues, shortage of water is the major problem. It's a life for the peoples of the Tharparkar. And the peoples from this area, in this hot weather, they bring this water from remote areas, almost 3 to 5 kilometers away from their homes, in the search of the pure water for the drinking. So such type of solar pump or the water pump has been donated by the Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Abhiman's family and their children, Anisha Parmar and Ashwin Parmar. Almost more than 24 water pump has been donated by Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Abhiman family. And after the donation of these summer pumps, peoples of this area uh, have the pure water for drinking. Before this, peoples have the major problems like the hepatitis and typhoid due to the unhygienic water. Uh, Now they have the very less hospital visits for these diseases. Now they are very thankful for this family, and they say that they have the many problems before this, but they have now they feel that they have the blessings for them, that they have such type of pure and the clean water at their doorsteps. They repeatedly say that they are thankful to Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Abhiman Parmar and their family. Thank you so much.
असांजो ये थर एरिया जेके डेजर्ट एरिया चइजे थो ई तमामु वॾे एराज़ी में आहे ऐं हिते अहम मसइलो जेको आहे पाणी जो आहे। पाणी जे मसइले जे करे असांजो ही डॉक्टर अबैमन साहब ऐं डॉक्टर अबैमन जी पूरी फैमिली जे तरफ़ां जेका हिननि असांखे अतीअ तौरु पाणी ॾिनो आहे, इहो पाणी ही 24 आरो समर पंप आहे। ही जेके प्रोजेक्ट आहिनि इहे ॾियनि पिया माण्हुनि जो तमामु वॾी ख़िदमत कनि पिया, तमामु बहितरीनु क़िस्म जो ही पाणी आहे ऐं ही पाणी साफ़ शफ़ाफ़ ऐं पीअण लाइक़ु आहे। हिन